The third day commemorates the version of Chandraghanta, the name derived from the fact that after marrying Shiva, Parvati adorned her forehead with the Ardha Chandra or half moon. She is the embodiment of beauty and also symbolic of bravery. पिण्डजप्रवरारूढा चण्डकोपास्त्रकैर्युता प्रसादं तनुते मह्यं चन्द्रघण्टेति विश्रुता.